Since getting the keys to our bungalow by the sea, we've been so excited to dive into this first stage of the project and start demoing and unveiling exactly what we've bought. Hi guys, welcome back to the bungalow. Today I'm in the guest bedroom. We're going to get rid of the skirting and make a start on getting rid of the dado rails as well. I don't have all the tools I need because, to be honest, I didn't think we were going to do any work today. Today is Christmas Eve. We got our keys literally Monday. So I'm going to go and get our chisel and our hammer and yeah, make a start. Woohoo! That's next year's. Wallpaper. These are all wallpaper, so that's in the living room at the moment.
Yeah, we put more up.
I don't think so. Habitat wrapping paper.
Hey. Oh, there's a plug socket. Cool.
That's perfect.
This room's actually okay in terms of sockets.
Just need to change the faces.
Yeah, straighten it a little bit.
Straighten it up. Oh God. Oh, Jesus.
Okay.
Hang on, yeah, can you just be very careful? Okay. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Oh, I can see it now. This is where a fireplace used to be.
Yeah, that makes sense.
And actually, now that you look at this wall, don't know if you can see, but there is a bit of a bump. So it's been covered over, but I mean, not very well. What have they used?
There's some heat resistant kind of, or...
Yeah, there's like pebbles in it.
Yeah. The bricks would have sat on that.
What is this as well? Like, is that paper? Oh yeah, look, there you go. The things we're uncovering in here. Morning guys, so today is day 3 of our reno week. We've got quite a big day today, and we've got our friend Grace coming down to help. So we've got a lot of the kitchen to demo today, so like a lot of the cabinets, and I think we might start on getting rid of some tiling. We're gonna move our makeshift kitchen table, and then we're gonna start on the dining room. That should take us till the end of the day, but I mean we might just smash out really quickly with Grace. No, it's fine. I was more worried that you had it than I was thinking, where's she gone?
Man.
Oh, there's loads of
It's going to be a hole in the wall soon.
Yay, we've got this.
Yeah, that works. Yeah.
Perfect.
So we've got enough kitchen to play with.
We're actually running out of living room space now.
Oh no, we don't have a living room anymore, but we'll do it tomorrow.
So it's been a few hours now since Grace left and helped us smash out most of the kitchen. I said this morning that we would get the kitchen done and the dining room done. We only managed to get the kitchen done today, but I mean, we've done so much. We're gonna be coming back tomorrow. Then we're also gonna do a tip run, I think, try and fit that in. Tomorrow is New Year's Eve, so we need to make sure that they're actually open, because at the moment, let me show you, there's literally no space to put anything. And this is quite a big room as well, so let me show you what I'm staring at the moment. So bearing in mind, this is from the guest bedroom, the main bedroom, and now the kitchen. This is a lot of stuff. So yeah, gonna tip all of this. It keeps going. This is a mess at the moment. So considering we're halfway through our week of demoing, we've done pretty well. There's only the dining room. I think we wanted to start on the hallway, I'm not sure. And we did want to do this room, but obviously it's kind of hard with all this stuff here. So I shall see you tomorrow. So what we've done is we've taken all of the metal, all of the plastic out of all of these boards. I think with all of this, we're just going to slowly put it on our fire outside. But what I'm doing at the moment, just so it's easier to put in the actual can, is just chop everything up. Food's been ordered. That's our Christmas, no, that's our New Year's Eve.
My phone's 15 seconds.
What?
On my watch. What are they saying? 10 seconds.
Should we watch it?
10 seconds for me. We'll do ours and then, because that'll be slow. 2, 1.
No.
Happy
Happy
New Year, baby.
10,
Oh,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Well, look at my watch.
Woohoo! Happy New Year's, guys. We are now on day 5, slightly late in the day now. I think it's 4 o'clock, but we've basically started sort of like sorting out pots and ornaments in the garden. We're still going with the fire at the moment. Last night I tried to book a tip run for today, but all the time slots had gone. So tomorrow we're gonna go and take all of this down. So that'd be quite nice. And then there's carpet here. We're gonna start on the hallway, so taking all of the skirts, all the dado rails, all the architraves off, and then add them down here. It's not gonna be a late one tonight, thankfully. So I've got 2 different jobs going on at the moment. We're trying to keep an eye on the fire and keep it fueled. So all of the dado around skirting needs chopping up. So I've been chopping up stuff and using the wallpaper as fuel balls, and then trying to obviously get more wood from the hallway. So that's looking all right now. I might smush a little bit more. Going down a bit earlier. Hi guys, so today's my last day working at the bungalow. We've got a fire on at the moment, we've got a tip run booked at 3, so we're just sort of like sorting things out for that. We had a lot more carpet than I thought, and we've only got like a Volvo XC40, so we can't fit all of the boards in, unfortunately. But I guess it doesn't really matter because we've still got the dining room to strip today. I think we're gonna have to book another tip run. Thank you, darling. I'm trying to get James in the frame. Hang on. Maybe, should I help?
That's fine.
I don't know what else to do. We've just finished cleaning up. We've literally just chopped all of the wood that came out of the dining room. The fire is almost, it's almost out.
It's almost out.
That's the end of this video. 6 days of doing demo, and I think it's finally caught up with us now.
The next couple of days now, kind of get back into work. It'll force us to rest and be back up
at our apartment. Yeah, I think we need the next 2 days of just being back at home with our creature comforts. You can get back into work mode. I'm going to edit these videos. Thank you for watching this video. I'm now going to work on putting together all of my design ideas, so you'll be able to see that in the next one. The next time we're down here, we still need to take up flooring in the hallway, dining room, kitchen, so still loads of demo to do. We haven't even started on the living room yet, so that's all to come. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye guys.